Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect two antennas with TP-Link Outdoor AP. And to do this, we'll need to take a look on this side. That's two screws that you will need to screw in the antennas, and simply take them like this. Honestly, the direction doesn't matter. You can take this one and plug it right here. As I said, it doesn't matter. Then another one, and do the same thing. Screw it to the right side. And here we have it. We've properly connected the antennas with that AP. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.